What is up guys, Stan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly Premium, Grammarly Paraphrasing and Grammarly Plagiarism Check. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Grammarly, or you can simply type in app.grammarly.com. So after typing, you will be redirected to this homepage of Grammarly. But remember guys, if you are new to Grammarly, you have to click on sign in and then sign in with your email and password. So as you can see, I already have created my account on Grammarly and this is my recent document. So I will just click on it and you can create your new document by clicking on that create new document button. So as you can see, this is my recent document and from here I can see the review. So it checks the correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery of my document. And from here, I can write anything with generative AI to improve my document or identify any gaps, or I can give it a detailed command to improve my document. So I can use generative AI with it and review my suggestion. And then here you can see the option of check for AI text and plagiarism. When you click on it, you have to buy a pro version of plagiarism and AI text of Grammarly. But if you want to check plagiarism and you want to run a plagiarism check test, you can simply download an extension called Plagiarism Checker. You can find it on the Chrome Web Store. Just simply open a new tab or click on these three lines and click on hover to extensions, then click on visit web store, and after going just click check for plagiarism checker. You will find the extension, just simply add it to your browser, and then you will be able to use this plagiarism checker everywhere on your document. So this is how you can use the Grammarly, Grammarly Premium, Grammarly Paraphrasing, and Grammarly Plagiarism Check. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.